Get ready for a huge dose of adrenaline. Massive forestry machines in action, showcasing their raw power and incredible precision. You won't believe the size of these things.
Четвертый день метет метель над Уренгоем.
Смотри, что творится.
Что такое?
Твою мать,
Ебался, блядь!
стоять.
Козел, блядь!
This is my friend's story. He had a rotting maple in his front yard and had gotten a notice from the county as it was a hazard. It needed to come down. Some time went by and he hadn't figured out what he was going to do. This guy came by and knocked on the door, and after negotiation said he would do it for $150. That would include him cutting it down and chopping it into small pieces to be picked up by the county. He showed him proof of insurance and everything went great, but he had no PPE in sight. How did he do? Everything went perfectly from his point of view. They picked up every twig in the yard even though his lawn was currently 20% weeds. Did he get lucky? Wow, that's a truly massive tree trunk. Do you think it's thousands of years old? Oh my goodness, and look at the gorgeous wood grain. I bet anyone would love to have a piece of furniture made from this tree. This isn't your everyday maritime mishap. We're talking about a colossal log carrier, the Jody F. Millennium, grounding shortly after departing the wharf. Imagine the sheer scale of the salvage operation. Helicopters, tugboats, weeks of relentless effort. A textbook example of maritime recovery, really. The Log Max 7000 XT is a testament to engineering prowess. Its 80-centimeter cutting capacity coupled with the LogMate 510 control system delivers unparalleled efficiency. The active friction control technology is a game changer in terms of machine longevity. It's a truly remarkable harvester.
Holy shit!
Did you fall out?
Almost.
You're not professional. Not comfortable.
Man, that was intense. It really makes you think about how powerful nature is and how we're always at its mercy. Introducing the PrimeTech PT600, the ultimate mulching machine. This tracked prime mover dominates extreme mulching with its 600 horsepower Cummins engine and intelligent hydraulics. Forget California almonds, this machine chews through anything. Agile, efficient cooling, the PT600 conquers the toughest jobs. Oh my goodness, that was a close call. I mean, those guys were taking down a massive tree without any proper safety gear. A branch could have easily fallen, and that would have been disastrous. Thank heavens everything turned out all right. San Rosendo, a charming town in southern Chile, plays a pivotal role in the region's forestry industry. This small but bustling community serves as a crucial transportation hub where several important roads converge. Its strategic location makes San Rosendo a vital link in the forestry supply chain, facilitating the movement of timber and related products. Drop a 1 in the comments if our video blew your mind. Your support fuels our creative fire.
Mantap, mantap, mantap. Steady.
With the right leverage, you can amplify your force and make the impossible possible. It's all about working smarter, not harder. That's a sizable fir, but the steel MS-462 is more than capable. Note the precise felling cuts. A notch to control the direction of the fall, then the back cut to release the tree. A textbook example of safe and efficient tree felling. This tree posed a serious hazard. Engulfed in flames and leaning precariously over the road, its imminent collapse threatened to block access or cause a catastrophic accident. Immediate removal was the only viable option to ensure public safety. Well, you may swing the axe, but the tree decides how it falls. Even amidst the brutal Siberian winter, the timber industry in Tomsk's Pervomaysky district hums with activity. Logging trucks, laden with freshly felled timber, brave the snow and ice, ready to conquer the treacherous roads. Looking for wood chipping power that's second to none? The PTH1200/820HA CKERTRUCK is your answer. With an 820mm drum and 1200mm feeding mouth, it effortlessly processes massive volumes, generating up to 180 cubic meters of chips every hour. What's more, Pezzolato's innovative design allows it to run on the truck's own engine, ensuring remarkable versatility, minimal upkeep, and top-notch performance in any situation. Contractors appreciate its dependability and maneuverability on any job site. Whoa! Those skidders hauling timber never cease to amaze me. They're like ants carrying loads many times their own weight. It's mind-blowing. That Stronken killer is a beast, and this operator knows how to tame it. Whoa, did you see that? That stump's gone, and the pavement's still in one piece. Timber transport, no matter the location, is inherently fraught with peril. I believe it's best to leave tasks like these to professionals if you want to avoid potential dangers and financial losses. I've seen some rough roads in my time, but this one takes the cake. Let's see if this Ural logging truck has what it takes to make it through. Hauling these monster logs is no joke. You gotta know your truck inside and out, read the road like a book, and respect the weight you're carrying. These guys make it look like a walk in the park, but believe me, it's a tightrope act. Every corner is a gamble, every mile a badge of honor. I've seen a lot of chippers in my day, but this Bandit 2550T is something else. With a 49 horsepower Kohler engine, it's got the power to handle anything you throw at it. Sure, $34,950 is a lot of money, but for serious professionals who demand the best, it's an investment that will pay off for years to come. Imagine traversing thousands of miles, solo, with only the radio and the road for company. These modern-day nomads, kings and queens of their rigs, embody resilience and independence. Their journeys are a testament to the human spirit's boundless capacity. Yeah, that 980H is a beast. I've seen those things move mountains of timber. They're built to last and can handle just about anything you throw at them. But you gotta respect the operator too. It takes skill to handle a machine like that. They make it look easy, but it's not.
They run about 160. You're looking at 4 tires on the truck alone.
So the bank requires about $4,000 a month in payments, stay in fuel, so they're not cheap to run.
Now this, my friends, is what I call a logging machine. The Timber Pro TB830 with its powerful TDS-22 head effortlessly conquers the forest. Just as Todd Mahalko described, it's a masterpiece of engineering and a true testament to innovation. The Fecon FTX 150 track. Mulcher. Dominate the toughest terrain. High-strength steel, adjustable hydraulics, and in-cab control deliver unmatched power and precision. Conquer any challenge. It's called the RDM52EX, and it's made by Advanced Forest Equipment. This thing can chew through trees up to 14 inches thick with its massive 52-inch cutting disc. It's made of super strong Weldock 700 T11 steel and has a powerful Rexroth hydraulic motor. Prices range from $50,000 to $60,000, but imagine how much time and effort it could save you on your land clearing projects. If that KX057 excavator looks outmatched by that stubborn stump, just equip it with the Frost Ripper and watch the tables turn. This simple yet incredibly effective attachment makes quick work of roots, yanking that stubborn stump right out of the ground. Impressive, to say the least.